part of this session and represent to your attention the presentation of Natalia Solomina, positioning methods for GSM networks. Scientific supervisor Ivan Ostrogov.
Good afternoon. I'd like to present you methods of the mobile positioning. Communication networks are very popular and useful nowadays. Almost all people in the world use it. Therefore, it is rapidly developing. In our country, GSM networks are very popular too. A national GSM operator provides its services on the whole territory of Ukraine. This communication network is possible to use for navigation and positioning. A trend for mobile phone is to provide positioning information. On abroad, many countries use such system. GSM is a digital cellular communication standard. In addition to digital transmission, GSM incorporates many advanced services and features. GSM is placed on the base of cell structure. Every call that in the network contains base station, which provides radio communication with a mobile station, which located in the work zone of base station. Location of the base zone is known. Three-dimensional coordinates contained in the spatial database. These positioning methods in GSM network use 3 or more receiving sites to monitor a call and compare signal strengths, time of arrival, and distance or angle of arrival of a signal from a handset. Thus, location techniques are independent of external systems. The most important of them are: the first one is a cell of origin. According to the cell of origin, the network uses the closest to the handset base station to identify the cell where a subscriber is. But the accuracy of this method is very low. That's why it cannot be applied for the emergency usage, but it is popular among the operators because it doesn't require any modification in the handset or in the network. Hence, it is comparatively cheap to deploy. The second one is signal strength. Applying a mathematical model for the relation between the distance and a signal strength, the distance between the mobile station and a base station can be estimated by measuring the signal strength at the base station. The mobile station lies on the circle around the base station. That's why for the better accuracy we need 3 circles to identify the position of the object. The third one is an angle of arrival. Using antenna arrays, the direction where signal originates from can be determined. With at least 2 base station and interception point of the 2 lines can be determined. But those method isn't used now in the countries. The first method is a time of arrival. The time of arrival technique is based on the measurement of the time that a signal needs to travel from base station to the mobile station. In 2 dimensions, the distance of the mobile station from the base station lies on the circle. The intersection of the 2 circles gives 2 possible solutions. That's why for the better accuracy we need the third base station, and we will obtain one possible solution. Such technique is also used in GPS systems. The fifth one is time difference of arrival. Time difference of arrival is a hyperbolic position determination technique. 2 base station measures the time difference of the arrival of the signal of the mobile station. The possible solution where the time difference is constant lie on a hyperbola. In order to get an unambiguous position solution, at least 2 hyperbolas needed. That's why we need 3 base stations. The sixth one is an enhanced observed time difference. The signal sent by the base station is received by and reference measurement station coordinates of which are known for us. The time difference and therefore the distance between the base station and mobile station is then determined by the correlating of the two signals, and the distance still contains a clock error of the mobile station. Performing this operation 3 times, we will get a better accuracy. The techniques above has in common that the accuracy depends on the number of measurements and the geometry. The unfavorable geometry degrades the accuracy. For example, if we have such location of the mobile station and two-way station on the one line, the mix of those techniques gives us the better accuracy for the positioning of the object. And as a conclusion, I'd like to say that GSM positioning methods can be used with the global navigation satellite system, because in the open sky area the mobile positioning technique is not very good, but in the city we will have better accuracy, and because of the obstacles and of many base stations in the city. Thank you for your attention.